Hello everyone! Let's see how to open an EOS account at Guarda Wallets. It will take about 5 minutes. The process is the same for web and desktop versions of Guarda. I'm going to demonstrate it on the web version. So go to the site of Guarda Wallets and log in to your Guarda wallet. Press sign in. Assuming that you already have your wallet, if not, you can watch another video. So type in your password and press unlock. So here you are at your wallet, and press add wallet. Choose EOS. Choose OK, got it. And now generate your account name. Write it down somewhere just in case and press next. And here generate your keys. Save your private key that's necessary. Saving it right now. Great. And then press next. And now please choose the currency in which you want to pay for your account. And now it's only bitcoins, which I accepted, so choose the bitcoin. If you don't have funds on your bitcoin account yet, you should go back and refund your account. So here is the price which we are going to pay. It depends on the like how busy the Bitcoin blockchain is. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more. So now it's going to be that price. And if you're alright with that, you press confirm. And we're gonna wait a little bit. And as it's written here, please do not close this window until the transaction will be completed. So yeah, and here it is. It was quick, huh? And now here is your new wallet. And I make backup. This is necessary because we've just created a new wallet, so that's important to make a new backup. And I download it. And I save it in a good place. And that's it. Thanks for watching.